I'm Anna and I manage the Chemist Community Fund team. The Chemist Community Fund assists RSC members in many different ways. This includes their partners, dependents and past members, and one of the recent grants that we've introduced is those for housing adaptations. If you're in need of assistance around the home and are struggling to support that financially, then the Chemist Community Fund may be able to help you. We can assist with things such as grab rails for helping get in and out of the bath or the shower, perhaps a ramp to help get in and out of the property, or things such as a stairlift, anything that will mean that life at home is easier and to maintain people's independence. Our housing adaptation grant criteria is for anything that's been assessed by an occupational therapist, and the fund team are available to help source the occupational therapy assessment if that's something that members require. We review each case individually based on each person's unique circumstances, so please do get in contact with the fund team to see how we might be able to help you. We'd like to assure any applicant that all correspondence and all communication with the Chemist Community Fund is treated absolutely confidentially. You can contact the Chemist Community Fund with any queries that you might have using the telephone number and email address that's on your screen.